Hello, hello, my darlings. Come on and talk to me while I'm out here in my garden. Alright, so let's talk about being energy conscious. So I know we talk about good vibes only and things of that nature, but I'm talking about the flow of energy here in the garden. So I'm going to zoom in shortly so you can see, but behind me and right on the side of me, I have a variety of different tomatoes. Now, I want you to remain conscious as you sow your seeds and as you watch the growth transpire, that you need to be a part of that growth, that you need to take an active part in making sure you're creating an environment for your crops, for your flowers, for your vegetation, for your vegetables, all of that, whatever you want to call it, your green babies, what have you, that you are creating an atmosphere for it to not merely survive, but to thrive. And how you are to be active in that is by the process of pruning. Okay, so don't think about prune juice, but think about pruning. Okay, what that means is you're being conscious of the flow of energy. You always want your energy to flow upwards. So if you have peppers, any type of peppers, anything that grows upright, so it's growing like it's trying to reach for the higher mark, amen. Anything that you have that is growing upward, you want to get to that main root, that main stem. And if you see little suckers, as we call them, trying to break off and grow, you snap it down from the main stem. Okay, so what I want you to be mindful of is, once again, you want the energy to flow upward. Now, this is not included, I'm not talking about vines and things that are root vegetables, so things that grow down. I'm talking about things that grow upright. You want the energy to flow up, and you don't want any suckers. So if this is your root growing up, it needs to, produce up here, but you got little suckers that's breaking off in the bottom. They are actually stealing nutrients from your final product, and you don't want that, because you want every seed that you plant to produce, and to produce bountifully. So in order to do that, you have to prune. Don't be over zealous in your pruning that, because once again, you got to realize that you're snapping off suckers. You're releasing toxic situations. I'm not going to say toxic situations, but when you cut that friend off that haven't really been a good friend, or you release yourself or provide walking papers for a situation that was not the healthiest for you, it's like ripping off a band-aid, but yet you got to take time to heal. That's why you don't want to be overzealous with your pruning, but you want to make sure that you get that pruning done. So be energy conscious, let your energy flow upward, and spring forth a good harvest. Love y'all. This is after pruning. As you will notice, I don't have nothing down there. I've pruned it off because I want my babies to continue to grow. And you see how tall they getting? It's the same thing down here. This will be the next one that I do, but y'all see that right there? You grab it at the stem and you pull it off. All right. Happy pruning, y'all. Get rid of them suckers.